Alright, hey everybody, Felicia here with another video. We're going to talk in this video about resale rights. I'm going to show you another site where you can find resale rights and you don't have to spend a lot of money on your products, and you can actually find a lot of products for free. So this is one of the sites that I've been a member of for like years and years and years. It's called Resell Rights Weekly, and it's resell-rights-weekly.com, and I'll as well maybe leave a link below this video if you're watching this video on my site, and you can go check it out. But this is a really cool site. So this is like when you go to the site, this is what it's going to look like. Tells you what you're getting for your free membership. You can play the video here. Mark Austin is the owner operator of this website. Just go down and read through the sales page. Check out the testimonials from members of this website. Also, he gives you a lot of things that you can do with with the PLR content. You know, I was telling you in the ebook that you can do this and you can do that. You can repurpose, rewrite. And he actually goes through this on this site. So you get the text file, the Word doc, audio file, AVI, the video file, the script, and this is how, like, say if you were to get the product, everything that you will get included with that product, so that you can change it up if you wanted to, put a new graphic, you know, put your name on it, so that way you're not selling the same product or giving away the same product that other people are. So you will especially like the free detailed marketing reports, where you find special reports such as getting traffic to your website, profitable niche, secrets revealed, all this stuff here. This is membership perks for resale rights, access, testimonials, 10,000 over 10,000 private label rights, articles. So as a special welcome to Resell Rights Weekly gift, you will be able to instantly download over 10,000 PLR articles covering 320 different niches, and he gives you the topics here, the topics that are covered in these articles. So you see anything that you are into in your niche in here, maybe bird watching, birthday party ideas, blogs and blogging, cat care, Christian organizations, chiropractors, cosmetic surgery, Costa Rica, credit card, detoxification, debt, dog diets. I mean, just a slew of articles of different niches here. Knitting, kart racing. I mean, things I've never even heard of. So yeah, uh, this is free membership, guys. So you don't have to come on here, you know, get as a free member and get stuff that you can use. And he tells you what you're able to do with these PLR articles. You can combine multiple articles to easily create an ebook. You can use them as content for your website, use them as blog posts, use them for your newsletter. You can write them and submit them to the article directories, which is pretty cool. I mean, when I first got started online, I wrote for eZine articles, or eZine articles, however you want to pronounce it, and did 100 articles, and actually am a platinum member or something like that, platinum pro writer, and they sent me some gifts in the mail, and I got me a eZine article coffee mug. I'll show you that one day. Yeah, so you can use these articles to promote your own products. You can use them to promote affiliate products, you know, like give them out as as bonuses, or use them as, you know, to build your list, and then, you know, promote affiliated products. So like it says below, use them as opt-in bait to build your list. Use Audacity to record them, and Audacity is a free audio recorder that you can download from the web, and you can sell the MP3s or package with an ebook. That's such a great idea. I mean, you know, it tells you right here what you can do with these articles, and again, you want to go and just come to the site and use this method. Go ahead and sign up and use the free gift and take, go here and find your niche and maybe download Audacity and record an audio version and use that as a bait to build your list. It works. And how do you get traffic? Well, do what I do. Make videos. And you don't even have to put your face on your video. YouTube is huge. It's like the second largest search engine in the world. And I'm constantly getting opt-ins through my video content every day. You just got to put out video content. And that's like actually it's targeted traffic, and it's people that are totally interested in what you're putting out because you're using the right keyword research. Okay, and we'll get into more keyword research. Actually, that's one of my favorite things to do. It's a little bit tedious, but if you do it right, then you're gonna see more traffic than if you don't do it right. All right, so I just want to show you this other resource, Resell Rights Weekly. I'll put the link below this video, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next video.